Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, let's turn back to discussion of the situation in the gold market. So yes, the action was on spot, so indeed some upside pressure exists in the gold market due to different fundamental factors. Some growing of the commodity price, rising inflation, so investors are searching for the hedging against the inflation. Anticipated the retracement on the stock market, so a lot of driving factors right now stands here, and this brings significant volatility in the market. Also some fundamental events, the recent announcement by the China government, the China Financial Service, that they intend to reduce the purchasing of the United States Treasury bonds or even stop the buying of the bonds. That has brought really significant volatility in the first half of the session yesterday. By this volatility, by the way, all our analysis, all our targets have been met, and so resulting in that. Still, on daily chart, we're still watching for some important pattern, and as we said, this mostly should be the double repo sell. We have thrust up, close below the 3x3, and we do not have yet the close above. The top that stands above this previous top already have, but yes, the market hasn't closed above the 3x3. It means that some upside action still should happen and could happen. Besides, although market has tested the monthly pivot resistance one, it hasn't completed yet the major target, the COP target 1330 even, this large ABCD pattern that we have, as you can see. And as we know, that markets very rarely leaves behind uncompleted targets. Usually they tending to it, they intend to gravitate to these targets. That's why I still think that some last effort here to the upside should happen before major retracement will start. So the same story we have on other assets on the forex market as well. So here even some kind of seems it's maybe not quite flag, but some consolidation here is forming because the actually lows and highs stands in parallel action. So maybe market here will continue move to the upside. I don't know, but the major pattern that it's really could be formed here is double repo sell probably. So on the daily charts, nothing actually to trade yet. That's why we're turning to intraday charts as usual. So here, as you can see, our guidance triple to buy has worked very perfect. So upward action has happened right from this area. But take a look, market hasn't quite reached the destination point, hasn't quite reached the top of the third drive that is anticipated by the shape of the three drive sell pattern. So second drive stands at 127 extension of the first, while third should stand on the crossing on the combination of the 127 of the second and 1618 of the first. But this target has not been met yet. So three drive has not been completed. Since upward action here was really fast, despite it was triggered by the fundamental news, in general the momentum here stands really strong. That's why chances on upward continuation stands really significant. And one of the patterns that could be formed here, I'm not sure that definitely will happen, but if you will measure the extension of this retracement that we have here, let's take a look. This retracement down is counted to the upside, gives us 127 extension right here. So this extension coincides with the major target as of this free drive that we have, as for daily COP, it stands precisely at 1330, right? So that's why I think that appearing of the this butterfly sell is very probable in the current environment. So that's all that we see right now in the gold market. If you're searching chances to go short, it's better to wait for a completion of the major targets around 1330. Besides, here you will have the clear bearish pattern on your back. This will be a three drive sell. If you have the long view or you would like to make the scalp long trade, well, it is possible just keep watching with this butterfly. Maybe you will find some other patterns inside of this consolidation. Maybe minor triple to buy will be formed, as here, for example. Recall that here was the small 50-minute free drive buy, and particularly with the forming of this free drive buy, rally has started. Something of that sort could happen inside of this consolidation. So just keep watching for the patterns, or you could try to use these potential butterflies. But usually butterflies are traded when they stand completed. So butterfly, because butterfly here is bearish reversal pattern, not bullish continuation pattern. So usually, but the butterflies are not anticipated, but using when they stand in place. So, but maybe a market will form something else here. As I said, this major target has not been completed yet. The chance on upward continuation stands really significant. So let's see what we will have here today, tomorrow session. Probably this riddle should be resolved till the end of the week.